pronoun. A pronoun is an important part of speech that is used as a replacement for nouns. Pronouns are used in place of nouns. Yes. There are pronouns like he, she, it, I, we, you, and they. Okay. For example, he is making tea. He is making tea. Okay, here he is a pronoun. The second example about pronoun is she is going to school. Here she is a pronoun in this example. The third one is I am your friend. In this example, here I is a pronoun.